check out our newest update. We have an amazing update to the Affiliate Manager. Now, you have tracking available on forms, surveys, and even calendar bookings. This is going to allow your business to create affiliate campaigns that track leads generated through forms, surveys, and even calendar bookings. Can you imagine the possibilities? Well, I'm going to share those with you. Here are some of the benefits that this new update is going to bring to your business. First, this is going to expand your campaign opportunities, all of your marketing opportunities. Now your business can create affiliate campaigns or lead generation campaigns through various sources. This is going to provide a flexible affiliate credit or recognition where affiliates and lead sources can now receive a credit for actions such as bookings from form submissions and surveys, or anything including just simple bookings. This is going to enhance your lead tracking. Businesses can track leads and attribute them to specific affiliates. Now, just imagine that you are going to be offering an online course and you really want to create an affiliate campaign that gives credit and recognition to affiliates or your lead sources for generating form submissions and even calendar bookings for you. This is going to incentivize them to promote the course and generate more leads for the business because they know that those lead sources are going to be attributed to them. Let me show you exactly how to use this new feature. First of all, you're going to need to create an affiliate campaign. To do that, you're going to be under Marketing. Then you're going to be under Affiliate Manager. Make sure that you select Campaign and then click the plus Add button. From there, you're going to go ahead and select your sources. Now, what you're going to see here is you now have sources for forms, surveys, and calendars, in addition to funnels and websites. So you're going to go ahead and finish this data here. Enter any forms that you might be using, any other specific details you need to use. Next, we're going to go ahead and assign affiliates. So you're going to click on Assign Affiliates, and then you are going to click on Additional Settings. Now you can go ahead and select the email template you'd like to use. So select that email template. You're going to go ahead and Publish Now. And if you'd like to, you can also save as a draft and then go ahead and finish. Now let's access the Affiliate Manager. So we are once again going to be under the Affiliate Manager in the Marketing tab, and we're going to select Affiliates, and then we're going to select that affiliate name. Now you can view the source of any of those leads. So simply scroll down and you'll notice all of the leads and where they've come from. This feature for forms, surveys, and calendars expands the capabilities of the CRM's affiliate management system, providing businesses with new opportunities to engage affiliates and lead sources, as well as to track all of that lead generation across various sources. We hope you enjoyed this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.